Alright guys, I got a quick video for you. Let's go over the game plan for Soun Inc. I'm still waiting on this one to drop down to $4. It's been a money printer if you keep waiting for the $4 mark. And we do have plenty of analysts who predict this stock is worth more than $7 with an average of $7.50. So technically speaking, by analysts' point of view, this is undervalued. But technically it should be up $2.50. Again, by analyst point of view, I don't know who these people are. I don't know what their credentials are, nor do I care what they think, because I don't think they trade as good as I do. So if you've been following the game plan, you buy at the bottom of this range. We've been ranging ever since we bottomed out down here at $4, around that area. And then it comes up as high as $5.50 to $6. That is your nice little range where you can flip it for 20 to 40%, maybe even 50% if it goes from 4 to 6. Also depends on where you buy. Maybe you buy under $4, so you're able to make more gains percentage-wise. But the game plan is still the same. Just be aware that next week we have the Fed meeting, and that can dictate where the market goes as a whole. And if you haven't been paying attention to the market, we've been there's a lot of uncertainty and fear. And next week, it's going to be big. Next week, we got Jerome Powell talking as well. For those of you who don't keep track of the Fed, when Jerome Powell talks, we get a lot of volatility. Leading up to Jerome Powell speaking and to the Fed meeting, we kind of get a lot of sideways action. And that's what's been going on. Even here with Soun, you see we're getting kind of a lot of sideways action. This whole week has been, it's like we're going nowhere. BTC, it's kind of just, again, this whole week has just been, we're going nowhere. I think serve as well. Buyers are stepping in right here. But yeah, let's see, Nvidia, and I believe Nvidia and all the other big stocks, they've been trending to the upside, but you look at everything else, and it's like, wait a minute, we're just going sideways. It's only the big boys that are climbing to the upside, and they're right at resistance. And remember what I told you, if Nvidia is struggling to go higher, we're going to see everything else come down. So, and we're getting kind of a disconnect here as well. We have Nvidia trending to the upside. We have SPY trending to the upside. We have QQQs trending to the upside. But then you look at Bitcoin, and it's been going lower and lower over the long term, whereas the other three broke out of their downtrend. So there's kind of that disconnect between the stock market and Bitcoin, and that affects you because I get that you want to buy Soun, but that affects you because if this is a bear market, it's going to show next week. Next week is critical. It's going to reveal to us whether we're going to start breaking down lower and creating lower highs and lower lows, or if we're going to continue the bull market. And this little scare was nothing more than that, just to scare people getting extremely fearful and just selling off for no reason. And I mean, we were able to take advantage of that because of how low it came down, right? That's what you do. When people get fearful, you buy the stock and then you sell it to them when they chase it up. So the game plan stays the same. Just be aware of next week. It's going to be volatile, especially come Wednesday. I would expect Monday and Tuesday to be just some more sideways action because of the lack of uncertainty that's been happening. So that's my prediction. Just be very cautious and play it safe and buy at the bottom. And that is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Really helps out the channel. I will see you in the next one.